Droupadi Murmu is an Indian politician serving as the 15th and current President of India since 25 July 2022. She is the first person belonging to the indigenous, scheduled tribe community to be elected as the President of India. Prior to her presidency, she served as the 9th Governor of Jharkhand between 2015 and 2021 and held various portfolios in the cabinet of Government of Odisha between 2000 to 2004. Before entering politics, she worked as a clerk in the State Irrigation and Power Department from 1979 to 1983 and then as a teacher in Rangpur until 1997. Droupadi Murmu was born to a Santali family on June 20, 1958, in the Baitaposi area of Rangpur, Odisha. Her name given by her family was Puti Tutu. She was renamed by her school teacher to Droupadi. Her name was changed several times, and she was also named Droupadi, Dorpi in past. Her father and grandfather were traditional heads of the village council. Murmu is an arts graduate of Rama Devi Women's College. She married a banker in 1980 with whom she had 2 sons and a daughter. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.